Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you whether ChatGPT knows about any new news development or events that happened recently. Right, so as you might know, ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff date that is September 2021. However, there is a workaround for this I'm going to show you in this video. But you must know that if you do not use any kind of workaround that I'm going to show you, then this knowledge cutoff date means that they don't keep track of any current events. So any news or events that occurred after the date September 2021 is not within the ChatGPT's knowledge. So if you want to use ChatGPT in a way that gets you access to recent news and recent events, then fortunately you can do that. And the easiest way is to use a third-party ChatGPT Chrome Extension plugin called WebChatGPT with internet access. I will link this Chrome extension in the description below. And then all you have to do is add this Chrome extension to the Google Chrome browser, but it also works in Microsoft Edge or in Brave. And once you added this Chrome extension to your ChatGPT account, as you can see, you will see this toolbar here. And what it's going to do is when you add a query here, then this Chrome extension will scrape the first three results of the Google search result, and they're going to be able to use that data to feed to ChatGPT. So for instance, let's use the example of Silicon Valley Bank, which is a bank that has gone bankrupt recently. So let's say what happened Silicon Valley Bank. And if we click on generate, as you can see, what it has done is this Chrome extension has scraped the first three results of Google search. And using these data, ChatGPT has successfully used this data to answer that yes, Silicon Valley Bank, one of the leading lenders to the tech sector, was shut down by federal regulators on March 10, 2023 due to concerns about its solvency. And it also tells what was the result of the bank's failure and other stuff as well. So all in all, as you can see, no, ChatGPT does not know about recent events and news. However, you can use this Chrome extension to still teach ChatGPT about recent events and news stories, and use those news stories and events to improve your ChatGPT content generations, even about recent news developments.